So the day is almost over and everybody's out of the office already. And I'm here alone waiting for the carpool to arrive para makauwi na rin sa staff room. So nothing happened today except a bunch of paperworks to do. And yun, mas maganda kasi at least pagka maagang natapos yung work, nakakapag-search ka more on the internet, tapos nakakapanood ka sa YouTube ng mga vlogs, ng mga favorite vloggers mo. So, I think it's a very nice day today. So, thank you, Lord, for this wonderful day that happened to me. Another day happened. So, it's 6 p.m. already. So, everybody's out of the office. So, wala na talagang tao. Ako na lang. So, I'm really waiting for the carpool na dumating na para makauwi na. Cute ng table ko. The bear is tired already. I was so happy yesterday kasi nakapag-attend ako ng pre-launch nung eye curler ni Say, and I was so happy to meet Joyce and Say. So it really made my day happy yesterday. So probably today makapagpahinga na when I able to go home, and I really feel exhausted today, even konti lang yung mga trabaho. I also miss Professor. Hopefully, will be come back. So I'll end my vlog now. Thank you, Lord, for this day. It's a wonderful day that happened to me again. And hopefully tomorrow will be another brand new day. So hopefully Charles will be able to write an email already. I miss you, Professor. Have a great day, everyone, and let's look forward for another day tomorrow. God bless everyone.